Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. It's embassy we open us out and thank you for joining this presentation. My name is Yesi Dwi Aninda. I'm a master student in guidance and counseling in the Indonesian University of Education UPI Bandung. First of all, let us give praise and thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, the Almighty, for all His blessing and gifts so that we can gather in good health to hold this seminar on UPI research article. I would also like to express my deepest gratitude and appreciation to my family, friends, and colleagues for their unwavering moral support and motivation. Last but not least, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to my academic advisor and philosophy lecturer for providing guidance and knowledge throughout the preparation process for this presentation. May this presentation run smoothly and be beneficial to us all. Today, I have the opportunity to share with you our latest research finding on the impact of doom screen behavior on the mental health of high school teenagers, as well as the urgency of resiliency building strategies in guidance and counseling service in the digital age. This topic is very important because doom scrolling behavior among teenagers is very concerning. Teenagers spend a lot of time on social media, which has an impact on their mental health, as seen in their lack to focus in study, irritability, and sleep disorder. During this presentation, we will explore key findings and their implication that contribute to the development of knowledge in this field. Alright, I will begin this presentation with the word Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Introduction. Advice in the current digital era with article intelligent technology have greatly influenced the use of social media platforms that function with algorithms. This algorithm display content that is interesting to users and often viewed by teenagers. The prevalence of negative content is caused by algorithms that function to appear on user timelines. This situation causes users to be constantly exposed to similar or identical content. As a result, doomscrolling has become a habit that arises from a combination of psychological and technological aspects. Method This study analyzes psychological and technological factors that reinforce doomscrolling and FOMO habits among adolescents. The literature review method is used to identify, synthesize, and summarize previous research findings related to the impact of doomscrolling and the importance of resilience development in adolescents. The results of this study are expected to contribute to the development of in the first semester as part to school guidance and counseling service to improve digital literacy, reduce doomscrolling and FOMO behavior, and strengthen resilience and balance mental health through counseling service awareness of the negative impact of doomscrolling and the wise use of social media algorithm is crucial to supporting adolescents' psychological well-being in this increasingly advanced digital era. Next, multidisciplinary theoretical study developmental psychology perspective. Developmental psychology perspective, according to the WHO, In the under 2018, adolescents are people aged 10 until 19 years, according to Indonesian Minister of Healthy Regulation number 25 of 2014. Adolescents are people aged 10 until 18 years, and according to National Population and Family Planning Agency, adolescents are people aged 10 until 24 years who are not yet married. Every adolescent has different developmental, physical, and mental conditions. These conditions and norms vary depending on their environment during their growth period. Therefore, every adolescent has different decision-making process and character. Adolescence is also known as the growing period. Adolescence is a period characterized by the search for self-identity and high emotional sensitivity, making adolescents more vulnerable to environmental influence, including negative content that is continuously present by social media through algorithms that trigger doom scrolling. Next, philosophical perspective. Junior high school students are in the intense phase of search for their identity. Existentialism proposes that existence phrase existence meaning that humans define themselves through choice and action. FOMO and doomscrolling are forms of behavior that lead to alienation. Doomscrolling, forcing to focus on negative realities and mediation bad news, which paradoxical rob individuals of their autonomy and causes feeling of helplessness, disguising them for their positive potential FOMO, encouraging teenagers to live for external perception rather than from their authentic self. The true self is pressured by the need to always be present and connected digital. Present gap the philosophy of technology, view gadget and social media as mediators that transform or express of the world, including and promote and present gap. We are physically present in the real world, but mentally and emotionally trapped in an anxiety-ridden digital world. This gap disrupts ontological security as the real world feel empathy and the digital world feel nothing. Next, perspective pedagogic. From a pedagogical perspective, the phenomenon of homeschooling among teenagers should be understood as both a challenge and opportunity in the learning and character development process. Teacher and educator must create critical and learning method that not only focus on digital literacy but also prepare students with self-management skill and critical thinking skill regarding the use of technology. Next, perspective sociology. From a sociological perspective, adolescents are in a state of identity search and adjustment to social expectation. Digital media, especially social media, is a source of doomscrolling for adolescents. The phenomenon of doomscrolling causes junior high school students to be constantly exposed to information about video that contain negative elements. violence, and or entertainment elements, as well as social conflicts on global issues. This explore collectively shapes social reality and triggers collective anxiety among adults. Summary of previous research relate to the topic, the impact of homeschooling, behavioral middle school adolescents, mental health, and the urgency of resilience building strategies in digital age, guidance and counseling service. The research finding, the research study on the doom scrolling behavior on social media among adolescents is due to the driving force, the FOMO phenomenon, where adolescents continuously take in doom scrolling as they do not want to miss the latest information for their peer group. This has an impact on adolescents' mental health, tending to feel of easy anxiety, restlessness, which temper and sleep disturbance. The importance of a resiliency approach with guidance and counseling service is highly necessary to foster awareness and restore adolescents' mental health. Discussion issue analysis homeschooling behavior among junior high school students is a habitual pattern that involves excess scrolling and reading of negative content on social media. It can have a serious impact on their mental health. Psychological homeschooling can cause peaks in anxiety, high stress, depression, and even sleep disorders such as insomnia. Constant exposure and negative content triggers a stress response, increases cortisol hormones, and causes mental fatigue that affect cognitive abilities such as concentration and decision making. In the long term, this can reduce student quality of life and learning process. Discussion lazy is social term homeschooling behavior handle positive interaction between students and their families and friends, leading to increased social interaction in the virtual world and feeling of loneliness. The low self-esteem and pessimism that arise from that new can also reduce motivation and happiness among adults, thereby impacting productivity and academic performance. Consider this effect. School guidance and counseling service need to immediately implement resilience development strategies as a primary intervention measure. Mental resilience will help students cope with pressure from the digital world, while resilience help individual adapt to the problem they are facing. When someone is able to face these difficulties and adapt to their daily life, it will have a psychological impact in the form of mental health, with individual resilience in a person's ability to face the demands and problems of life. Good resilience in individuals will make a person feel optimistic and mental well-being. Next, the console of the research article, the impact of the screen behavior on mental health in junior high school students, and the urgency of resilient development strategies in guidance and counseling service in the digital age can be summarized as follows. Thank you. I hope what I have presented can be beneficial. Please accept my apologies for the shortcomings that who might still be present in this article. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.